Ciao my friends, welcome to my channel. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Amaretti cookies, which are also known as almond cookies. Very popular, especially in a lot of Italian households. Come around holiday time, you'll probably see a lot of these on the table, but they're great for any time of year, and I love these cookies, so I'm so excited to teach you how to make these. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. So to start, we need 2 cups of almonds. I've got some almonds that I've actually toasted in the oven 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. If you don't have almonds, you could use 2 cups of almond flour. That'd be totally fine. So I'm just going to process these in my processor. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar and about 3 tablespoons of flour. And I'm just going to mix that up to combine. So now that it's all combined, we're just going to take this and add it to our bowl. And to this, we're going to add 2 egg whites and a little bit of salt, about 2½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and ½ teaspoon of almond extract. And now we just want to mix all this together, and it's going to look like it's not going to come together, but it will come together, trust me. So now our dough, you can see, is all come together, and so now we're ready to roll. So I'm just using a cookie scoop, and I'm just going to plop them on my sheet. Don't worry about them being perfect, because we are going to shape them. So when it comes to rolling these, because of the sugar and everything, it will kind of stick to your hands. So I just add a little bit of water to my hands, and then you can take it and roll it nice and round, and then place it on your cookie sheet. And if it starts to get sticky again, just add a little bit more water to your hands. Now to finish off our cookies, we just want to take an almond, place it on top, and just give it a light press. Right now we're going to place them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. So as you can see, these beautiful almond cookies, Amaretti cookies, came out of the oven. They go great with a cup of coffee. As usual, the recipe is listed below. And until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.